Good morning, everyone. It is day 24, the 24th of December. I can hardly believe it. I'm still in short sleeves and a cotton dress. Some of you are too, but some of you are not. Anyway, today is a special gift because it's all about Africa today, and Africa is vast in fabulous creative things. I mean, I go to these markets and these fairs, and the things that people make here are just phenomenal. Anyway, I wanted to include some of Africa in our box this year. So for day 24, come on, open with me. We were able to bring you this. Is this the cutest little thing? These are grass baskets. You can see I have a larger one here. But these are grass baskets, and 6 villages worked hard to make sure that you guys got this darling little basket from Africa. It is so sweet, and there's a little card that tells about the people and the women who make them. And honestly, just being able to do this and have those 6 villages help us do this, it changes all their lives. And I wish there was a way for me to express more what it means that we did this and we were able to include this in the Jenny box for you. I hope you love it. I mean, think earrings, bobbins, little threads, anything you want to put in here, you can put in here. Hang it on your wall, whatever it is. But it's special for me, and I wanted to share my love of Africa with you in this Jenny box. So happy day 24. We'll see you later, everybody.